tools I'm about to introduce will organize your life, save you hours of work, and even boost your creativity to levels you didn't think possible. These aren't just tools, they're game changers. And in a world moving this fast, you can't afford to be left behind. Motion. Let's start with Motion, a tool that doesn't just help you manage your tasks, but practically becomes your personal productivity guru. Motion adapts to your changing schedule, suggesting the best order to tackle your tasks and even blocking distractions. Need proof? It generates detailed reports to show exactly where your time is going. It's not just about doing more, it's about doing it smarter. Instagram's generative AI editing tool now. Let's talk about creativity. Instagram is stepping up with its generative AI editing tool, powered by Meta's Movie Gen AI. Want to change a background, tweak an outfit, or add subtle details to a video? Just type your command. This tool puts professional editing power in the hands of anyone with a smartphone. It's more than an upgrade, it's a revolution. Reclaim. Ever feel like your schedule has a mind of its own? Reclaim ensures it works for you, not against you. This AI acts like your personal assistant, automatically carving out focused time, managing meetings, and protecting your calendar from chaos. It's like having a super organized friend who's always a step ahead. Firefly's AI. Meetings are where productivity often goes to die, unless you have Firefly's AI. This AI-powered tool transcribes your meetings in real time, summarizes key points, and integrates seamlessly with your favorite video conferencing apps. Imagine never having to say, "What did we decide again?" Fireflies makes your meetings smarter, so you don't have to work harder. ChatGPT plugins. ChatGPT just got smarter. With its new plugins, it's no longer just a conversational tool. Now it can book your travel with Kayak, crunch numbers with Wolfram Alpha, and automate workflows with Zapier. ChatGPT has gone from being your assistant to being your personal multitasking powerhouse. Bardeen. Bardeen is a generative AI-powered software solution for automating workflow management tasks by integrating with popular tools like HubSpot, Notion, and Google Sheets. It simplifies repetitive tasks through easy automation, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a game changer for marketers and writers. It's an AI copywriting tool that can draft compelling blog posts, marketing campaigns, and even social media captions in seconds. Jasper adapts to your style, understands your goals, and generates engaging content to supercharge your productivity. If you've ever felt stuck writing, Jasper has your back. Midjourney. AI art generator. Midjourney is a cutting-edge AI tool for creating stunning, imaginative visuals. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or someone exploring creative ideas, Midjourney transforms simple text prompts into extraordinary artwork, from futuristic cityscapes to intricate fantasy designs. It empowers users to push creative boundaries and craft visuals that were once unimaginable. Perfect for anyone looking to add a spark of uniqueness to their projects. Grammarly Go. Finally, let's talk about Grammarly Go. Imagine writing professional emails, compelling presentations, or even an entire report in seconds. Grammarly Go doesn't just correct your grammar, it understands your tone, adapts to your goals, and helps you craft content that resonates. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator, this tool transforms how you write. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. AI tools are revolutionizing industries, simplifying workflows, and empowering individuals to achieve more in less time. They provide solutions to problems we didn't even know we had, from automating mundane tasks to offering creative breakthroughs. Imagine trying to compete in a marathon while everyone else is riding bicycles. That's what ignoring AI feels like in today's competitive landscape. These tools don't just enhance productivity. They open doors to innovation, enabling us to think bigger and achieve faster. Whether you're a creator crafting visuals, a professional optimizing schedules, or a business owner scaling operations. AI gives you the leverage to move ahead. But here's the flip side. What happens if you don't adapt? You risk falling behind in a world that's racing ahead. Opportunities will pass you by, and tasks that could take minutes with AI will consume hours, sapping your energy and potential. The gap between those who embrace AI and those who resist it is widening, and the cost of staying on the sidelines is only growing. So, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Comment below and let me know. And if you're ready to level up your productivity and creativity, subscribe to this channel and join me on this journey. Together, we'll pave the way to the future, unlocking potential with every tool.